Hey everybody, it's about 4 o'clock on Saturday, the 24th of February, 2/24/24, and Stephen has his fenders back on. He has been out here all day working on the truck, and perhaps you have seen many of the videos that AJ has made with his wobbly camera productions. So I decided to come out since I didn't want to do another wobbly video with AJ filming. So Stephen sent me out to look at the fenders back on the truck, and look, there is no Texas size hole. Look at that. He's got them painted up and he's got the pinstriping on them. You would never know that he had a hole the size of Texas, as he's been referring to it, in the fenders. I smell fresh paint. I love the smell of fresh paint. So anyhow, look at that. You would never know. And for the naysayers out there who have said that fiberglass fenders are not worth it, and how Stephen always said that at least with fiberglass fenders you can repair them. Well, he has proven his point. He came home last Friday, February the 16th, and he's been home a week now. And when he came home, he had a lot of work to do on the truck, and he still has things he has to do. But you would never know that he had that hole in his fender. So I'm very, very proud of Stephen. I don't think there's anything that my husband cannot do or cannot fix. If he doesn't know how to do it, he's going to find a way to do it. And that's just my Stephen. He will find a way to fix whatever he has to fix or repair. And I'm really, really, really proud of my husband. There's the old 2000 Freightliner. She's 24 years old now. So that's a 2000 Freightliner Classic with new and repaired, well, not new fenders, but repaired fenders. And AJ was asking earlier if we were ever going to change the sticker on the back, because now we're Big Belly and Son Trucking. So that's the old name to our channel. We don't use the rebuilds anymore. We're Big Belly and Son Trucking, and AJ was asking if we were ever going to redo that. At some point we will. At some point, because those stickers are not cheap. So anyhow, just wanted to show off Stephen's handiwork. So yep, that's my husband. He can do it all. All right, well, you all have a great evening and enjoy this last weekend in February. Oh, and by the way, in case you were not aware, this is leap year. So we actually have a February the 29th coming up. And next Friday is March the 1st. So we have a leap year, February 29th coming up. So hope you enjoy your extra bonus day of February next week. All right, y'all take care and have a great evening.